What's up everybody, NCmotoRIDER here, and I'm going to show you how I relive my rides. So the first thing you want to do is go download the Relive app, which is available on iOS and Android. You can find it in the App Store and the Google Play Store. Now let's go over to the phone and I'll show you how I relive my rides. So after you download the app, you'll need to go in and create your own account. It is free to create an account. There is a premium version which unlocks a few other features, but it is free to get started. When I'm ready to record a ride I'm going on, I'll go down here and hit record, and then up here you can choose what you're doing. Like, I'm always motorcycling. You can do cycling, running, hiking, skiing, snowboarding, city trip, fishing, golfing, pretty much whatever you're doing you can record with this app. So mine's on motorcycling, and then I'll go down here and hit start. I'm not going to hit start right now because I'm not actually going to be riding, but just kind of show you guys how this works. So after I hit start, I'll go do my ride or whatever, and then after I'm finished, you'll hit it'll say finish right there. You'll hit finish. After you hit finish, you can create a little video. Now here's an example of one that I did, and it will record everywhere you've went. It'll have the names of towns. It'll do your elevation. It'll display your top speed, average speed. It records everything. The app is absolutely amazing. Now this right here is one of the features I really love about this app. So while you're doing your ride or whatever you're doing, you could snap photos along the way and then add them to the video. So just like it showed, it will take you along your little route you went on, and then if you took a picture during this, you can add it to the video and it will display the picture, which I really love that. There's another picture, and it goes back to the video showing where all we went. And of course from this screen you can share it to Facebook, Instagram stories, send it in Messenger, Twitter, TikTok, or even just send it in some messages. Copy the link to paste it wherever, save it to your phone. You can email it to somebody. There it shows another picture. It's just really awesome how you can not only keep up with everywhere you went, but you can take photos along the way and really have documentation of the awesome time you had. One of the activities I really enjoyed recording was this one right here when I did the Iron Butt Association Saddle Sore 1000. So the duration was 17 hours. I rode a total of 1,042.4 miles, and the highest elevation was 36,312 feet. Started at 6:21 a.m., finished at 3 a.m. That was a fun ride. And then there's a few pictures that I took along the way just to kind of keep up with what was going on. I did that trip with a friend of mine as well. It doesn't matter what you're doing, you can record it. And then there's another one where I did a ride for the 2022 Carolina Challenge last year. I did that ride earlier this year. Got stormed on. You can even go in here and look up routes that other people have put in here. Pilot Mountain, North Central Trails, Hanging Rock. And then this is your feed. I'm friends with a couple of buddies of mine, so I see his stuff. I think I see one other person's stuff. And this is another feature I really like, is the challenges. See, right here is the adventure, which I'm at 28%. This just gives you a bunch of stuff. Touch the sky, track one activity with above 300 meters of elevation, share at least one video with adventure in the title. It's just, there's all kinds of challenges you can complete. You can even make your own challenges. And see right here, create a challenge. I haven't done this yet, but you can go in here and create your own challenge. You can even use Team Goal and create a challenge for you to complete with your friends on the app. Down here you can hit search, and you can search if you know a friend of yours is on here and you want to find them. You can search there. Like I said, that's feed, record, and then your profile is right here. Right up there in the corner is the settings button. You can hit that to change your stuff, and then you will see all your activities right here. And if you hit progress, it will show you your weekly progress, like activities distance for the week, your challenges progress, and then you can also set goals that you want to complete with this app. And of course right here are your followers. You can see who's following you and then the people you're following. If you go on any kind of adventures yourself, you really need to download this app and just give it a try. There is a link down in the description for you guys to click and go check it out, download it. You won't regret at least giving it a try. It might not be for everybody, but I really enjoy being able to keep up with trips I take and pictures and all that kind of stuff. Definitely go check it out. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for the video. Just wanted to show you guys that app. Absolutely love the app. Relive Your Adventures. It's an amazing app. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe to the channel. There is a link in the description to go check out that app, so check that link out, go download it. I'll see you guys in the next one.